I'm gonna show you this. This is the fuse for the cooling fans. Look at this. The engine is off, the key is off, the ignition switch. Fans are on. That's why I removed that fuse. And I get a code. Oops, sorry. I get a code 0480, I think. I'm gonna check that. To check for check engine codes, all you do is just insert your key and then turn it to the on position without starting the engine 3 times and leave it on the third time. So we go 1, 2, 3, and there is our code
A couple of brief showers above 54.
P0480. You miss it, let's do it again. Insert key 1, 2, 3, P0480. And my understanding is that that one is for the cooling fans relay. So what I'm going to try to do, what I'm going to do is try to replace the relay. Now that the relay for the cooling fans is somewhere in here between the grill and the radiator. Where is it? Oh, there it is, right there. So I'm gonna have to kind of remove this thing a little bit and to gain access. So I'm going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws with a Phillips screwdriver, and then try to push the grill out a little bit to gain access to the relay. I'm going to remove the screws and I'll get to the battery later on. 1, 2, and there are some brackets in here or here, so I'm going to leave it at that. I'm not going to remove the whole thing. Maybe I should. No, my break. So I'm gonna leave it at that. I will probably put something in here in between to keep this thing this way. Okay, now what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to disconnect the negative from the battery. Now what happened here, the story here is that from one day to the next, the battery was totally drained to the point that there was no charge at all, nothing. It was like totally drained, and obviously I couldn't start my car. And when I tried to jump it, as soon as I hooked up the cable to the ground, the fans started working, and I wasn't even able to jump it because the fans were taking a lot of the battery power. Okay, next I'm gonna have to this is a rivet, so I'm gonna have to drill it, maybe with, I don't know what size of a drill. I'm gonna try 1/8 first, and then I'll go a little larger if I have to, and I might have to cut those wires and then attach the new connector. Okay, let's see what happens here. That should be easy. It's aluminum. What? Really? You know what? I need a bigger drill. So I got a bigger drill now. Let's see. Ah, this piece of junk. Forward. Now let's try this. Supposed to be loose. Oh, there it is. Here. Now what I'm gonna try to do is to get this thing. Oh, yeah, don't tell me. Okay, let's try to get this out. Maybe a little hard. Okay, top is out. Now it should be a lot easier to remove the connector. Just press that tab. Also, I thought, I know it was supposed to be easy. There it goes. There it is. Now this is what I'm gonna do first. I'm gonna try the new one with this connector. So I'm gonna pause for a minute. One. Here's that, and here is the new connector. I wonder if it is the same. It looks the same. Should be the same. Let's see. Oh my goodness. What was this, a Christmas present or what? I don't think that I got a rivet, so I might have to find a screw. I have some rivets, but I don't think that I have anything that big. So here it is. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try it first. I'm going to connect this thing. kind of put it in place as if like so, and then I'm going to connect the battery and make sure that this thing is tight. Yesterday I was driving without the cooling fans, and okay, so here we go. Moment of truth. There is. The fan is not turning on. Wow. So this little thing changed. Now I have to find a screw. And you know what? Here's a screw. It actually came with a screw. So I already removed what was left of the rivet. And now it's mounted off, pushing this thing in. Oh, I think I'm going to need a socket wrench. This is going to be a bit hard. So use a socket. This is a 10 millimeter instead of a screwdriver, because this is hard. You try to get it out later on after you install it. For whatever reason, you should be able to do it with the screwdriver. Have to make sure that the pin stays in place. It's hard. Okay. I'm gonna take it out. I hope I don't mess it up. I'm gonna take it out. Okay. Oops. Now this have to thread first. It has to make a thread on this thing. Okay, the thread is done. Now let me do the letter first. It's actually pretty easy without that thing in here. See? Okay, let's try one more time. So I'm gonna connect the connector want to push the tab in. Now this is going to be hard. Is it? Okay, I have to locate that pin, the hole to put the pin in there. Really? Oh, come on. Okay, there. Now, since the thread is already made, I'm gonna try with the screwdriver so that I can hold the relay in place. Get a little extra with okay. So it looks like that should do it. So this is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to turn the engine on. I'm going to leave that just like that. I'll turn the engine on. And we're going to see if we still get the check engine. Ah, look at that. Check engine light is gone. Alright. I'm gonna check again for cuts. Key in. 1, 2, 3. Done. Nothing. That's it. Alright. Now I need to put this thing back together. I'm gonna try to hook this hook this in here. That one first. There. And over here, the one in the middle. Then the top ones. That's one, and make sure that this one is into. Oh, why? Line it up so that it stays in place. And that's about it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that this video helps you. All right, thank you.